are on week 3 of demo. So we're almost here. This is that first building that started demolishing about 3 weeks ago, right before Thanksgiving. We're at a point now where really all that we have left is to cut the concrete out of the floor in areas where we're gonna be running new plumbing, which you can see here. We got like basically all the lines drawn out. We're gonna be opening this up so we can actually run all the new piping. When this thing is done, literally, it'll be like a blank slate, bare concrete, all the electrical, all the AC, all the piping that was originally here is gonna be completely ripped out. And it's just gonna be like starting all over from scratch. Just to show you, this wall right here that you see here, that's actually gonna stay in place. And this will be the separation between our headquarters and then the actual adult day center. So come here, I'll show you. What'll happen is, this breezeway is actually gonna become one. It'll become one with the adult day center. This will be the back wall of the adult day center, separating our 8,000 square foot adult day from our HQ. This wall is coming out. There's gonna be our Fins Up fitness room here. We're gonna have Ocean Blue Salon and Spa over there. The middle is gonna come out, which is gonna open the entire space up. Next week or the week after, we'll start plumbing. And then after Christmas time, we'll start framing up all the walls and actually start putting the place back together. We're probably about a month away from the shell of this building to start to actually look like the space that it's going to be here in another 6 months. So make sure you join us on this journey, guys. The vision is coming to life.